Hi everybody, Carm here. We're at the TST Big Event, the 21st annual, Territon, New York. Great event going on here. By the way, lots of training going on in the big ballroom, maybe 500 technicians. And Frank, we had dinner last night. It was great to
Awesome.
be with you. But Frank Casale from G-Tech.
Flo-Dynamics, which is also, we own G-Tech.
Cool. Listen, I've always wanted to have a glove that did this. So help me understand and tell the rest of the industry why we need a glove tester.
So we originally designed the unit for Ford, which is in their program, approved by them, to test battery chambers on EV vehicles. It's low pressure, clean air, no vapor, no smoke that would leave residual in the system. So we came up with an adapter to test gloves. Now, currently right now, people pump them up, they'll put them in water, look for bubbles, then they hope for a clean rag or cloth to wipe off the water before using it. Another method is to roll it up, but when you roll it up, you start losing parts where you're checking the leak, because if it's over here, by the time you roll it up, it's already covered up and won't show the leak. So with this device and the adapter, all you do is turn on the air supply, and if you watch this ball over here, it should go all the way down to the bottom. If there's a leak, that means that the ball will not go down, and that's an easy way to find it. So if I just put this down for a second, if I put my finger over the hole, you'll see the ball, and it should drop all the way down to the bottom. So within seconds, I know for sure whether that glove is good or not. So it's just and OSHA requires you to check the glove every use.
Every use.
Every use. You want to make sure that it's not compromised, because one little slit like this.
An OSHA requirement.
OSHA requirement.
What about people that would want to use cloth? Would they use cloth over these?
So typically that's what they will do, is use it over this so that you don't cut it, but not every tech follows every rule. So you want to make sure the glove is not compromised. There's also a date on it that after a certain period of time, I think it's 6 months, you have to send the glove back to be recertified. But when you're using it, you got to check it every time just to make sure that it didn't get cut, during the last operation.
So this is big business because OSHA is in this with us.
Yes.
Like it or not,
Yes.
OSHA's with us.
Well, they're trying to protect people that don't protect themselves.
So I get a call or a visit from OSHA, Frank,
Yes.
and they don't find my tester. What happens?
Well, they want you to check the glove. They don't say how to check the glove. They just say to check the glove.
Oh, they say to check it.
Right.
And so, do you check your gloves? Yes. I passed.
Yes. However, if he doesn't check it and he does get compromised, he won't be around again to check it the second time.
Is something this tiny going to let me risk electrocution?
You could get electrocuted with just a small little hole like that.
Okay. So we'd rather be safe than sorry.
Absolutely.
So this is another tool that apparently we have to have.
For protection of the vehicle and yourself.
So don't buy it and let it sit on the shelf to just say, I bought the latest tool.
Exactly.
Use it.
Yeah.
Are you selling a lot of them?
We're selling more and more. Again, this was in the Ford program. The glove tester, this is like our third generation, and we like this because it's hand-free. You also have a couple discs for different size gloves.
Okay.
So the kit has just come out recently, so we're going to be putting it in the Ford program and some of the other ones shortly.
Comes with a compressor unit here?
No, I just do this for shows. It's easier than have a big compressor here. All
So
I do is shop air.
You have your shop air. Okay.
Shop air.
Cool.
Yep.
What other really neat stuff do you have?
So
This is cool. Pick up a spill, huh?
This is air vac, so instead of using kitty litter or pads or get crostly and a mess on the floor, you just vacuum up the spill. It'll vacuum up anything from 90 weight gear oil to water, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid. So the only thing we don't recommend is highly flammable products like gasoline,
All right.
because it'll vent out of here if somebody's welding or smoking nearby. It could be very deadly.
Thanks for the tour, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.